Hello everyone, myself Vanil Gangani back again with a new video. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, firewall. Firewall is a very important topic to know nowadays because today the world is more and more advanced the technology. Anyone can attack your system. You can see in the image the hackers, worms, trojan, viruses, app, data, you can see spam, spamming, anything can be attacked. To stop this, the firewall is required. Firewall is generally in networking called as a secured wall. It used to protect your local systems like a LAN. Used to protect the LANs they are connected to one or more devices. Is between the public and private network. The public means the internet world and the private network means the local machine. So simple terms I can say. It protects your internal network. It protects your internal network from the user of external network. uh, any user it could be any user means a hacker or anyone which can crack your system anytime or any critical data will be leaked. So it is very critical thing here because to have a firewall is very much yes firewall I can say one time security guard who stops you and asks you for the identity card. If you have the identity card then come in. If you don't have the identity card then it stops you. It don't lets you enter inside the system. Simple words I have. Firewall may consist of the hardware or software, or both. This device can be configured in such a way that the public network internet cannot access the private network. Private network cannot access the certain resources of the. I can say that internet world means if we want to access my PC, we can't access my PC because between them there is a firewall who denies them that you cannot directly access. You need the some IP means routing table. All the information is given that who can access and who cannot. So this is cannot access the certain resources. All the things there is described in routing table that which public IP address can access this and which cannot. So it is there also we can have a type of the firewall in the computer network helps securing the computer from being accessed by the hackers. How does the firewall work? The firewall works in uses three different tools to protect your net. Is hiding the IP address, port filtering, and packet filtering. First, hiding the IP address means used to hide your IP address, the private IP. To hide means something like concept of netting. The concept it is the common technique of protecting a network by hiding the real IP address of the internal network system from the internet. So if hacker don't know your real IP address, it's not possible for them to hack your system. It's obvious that private IP address can't connect to the public IP address, and public IP address can't connect to the private IP. Similar way, the private IP address can connect the private IP. Private to private connection can be done, but public to private can't be done. Similar, public to public can be done. So here is a very important concept of netting, means network address translation. Or we can use a proxy server to hide the IP address. Netting is usually done by the first of all, as you can see, the ABCD servers are there, and here the net router is there. So here you can see the as a we while sending any packet, we need to give the source IP and destination IP. The source IP is of this. It is a private IP, and destination IP is a public IP. So we have to go outside the world. For that, net router is a very important device which will help us to go outside the world. it it used to hide the IP. It used to translate the IP. Means as you can see the 10.7.7.71, it is translated to the another IP, a public IP 54.5.4.1, and a port is given, port number that which program to access. So net router used to provide this IP address to the outside world, and this IP address is hidden by the net router for the security purpose. Is tell you in fact ENP0S3 is a and network card name. So you can see the this is the IP address and this is the net mask. Will show the route table. You can see the gateway. This is the destination. Means 000 means anyone in the internet you can access. Any machine you can access. This is the gateway. From here, this is the router address. Here it will go out, and this is the net mask. This is the port filtering. The second is the port filtering. The second most common firewall tool is the port filtering, also known as port blocking. Port filtering involves the preventing the TCP or UDP packets to pass through any port other than those prescribed by the network admin. Packet filtering. Packet filtering blocks the incoming or outgoing packet from the IP address or a range of IP address. It should block the packet by giving a particular IP address, that this IP address can only enter into system, and this can be not. These are some kinds of rules. I can say rules set by the set in the routing tip, that which I showed you earlier. The routing there we can set the rules by adding the new rule, deleting the other. It can block any outgoing IP address better because the admin knows the IP address of the internal system and can specify it. It also known as the IP filters. Here we filtering all the IP address are which we want to come inside our system and we don't want. Types of firewall in networking. There are two types of firewall: hardware firewall and software firewall. It is a hardware device that is basically placed in the gateway of the network from where the traffic is coming and going out from the network. The hardware firewall can protect the entire network from the external. Software firewall, basically a software which is installed on your computer. It can only protect a single system but not the entire system, like Windows firewall. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope